This is the Kenya National Union of Teachers, Rarieda branch, which is also known as the State House branch, because we are the branch housing the teachers president in the Republic of Kenya, none other than our very able Secretary General of Kenya National Union of Teachers, Brother Henry Collins Oyugi Oyo. We want to state categorically today that we, Rarieda branch of the Kenya National Union of Teachers, support and are in solidarity 100% with the decision of the National Executive Council of Kenya National Union of Teachers to call industrial action. And we want to urge and demand from the National Office of Kenya National Union of Teachers that the strike must be on until the 6 conditions which the teachers of Kenya mandated the National Executive Council of KNUT to give to the TSC, our rogue employer, are implemented in total. But before we categorically state the 6 points, we want to also state it here that no single teacher in Kenya, particularly the county, should listen to the rogue CEO of TSC, none other than Nancy Macharia, the lady who was really murdered and frustrated and manipulated all the teachers of Kenya. We were shocked to the bone marrow yesterday to see this mama calling the teachers to go to school on Monday, 26 August 2024. We want to state here, she's not the one who called the strike. Yes. So we have to ignore her with the contempt she deserves with her statement. We want to say categorically that no teacher in Rarieda will go to school on Monday, 26 August 2024 because the strike is on. The reasons why we still support and stand in solidarity with our head office are 1, failure by the TSC to implement the phase 2 of CBA 2021 and 2025, which was signed and deposited with the Labor Employment and Labor Relations Court, which is a legal document, and the TSC decided under the rogue CEO Nancy Macharia to ignore it. The strike is on. Yes. Number 2, failure to confirm all our 46,000 JS teachers to permanent and pensionable basis. Before that one is done, the strike is on. Number 3, failure to promote 130,000 teachers who have stagnated in the same job groups for more than 10 years and above. Before that one is done, the strike is on. Number 4, failure to release all the third-party deductions to the organizations where the teachers took loans, like bank loans, the SACCOs, pension schemes, and burial schemes. Before that one is done, the strike is on. Number 5, failure to remit the teachers' medical allowances to their own so that the teachers can get good treatment. Before that one is done, the strike is on. Last but not least, we don't want a delayed payment of retirement benefits to our retired teachers. Before that one is put in place, the strike is on. This is a Rarieda branch, and we want now to say we urge the head office not to move backwards even an inch until all the 6 conditions where the strike notice or industrial action was declared are met and met in totality. Thank you.
This is Bondo branch, Bondo NUT branch. The branch is ready for strike as it has been, the notice had been given. As a branch, we are in support of our SG and the NEC. After they had met and gave us an okay to take off, we have at the moment we have notified the police of our strike, which is starting on Monday, 26th, and the OCPD, the OCS, they are all ready, and we have given them our notices. For our teachers, we have met today as the BEC, that is the branch executive committee of Bondo branch today. We have deliberated and we have put our strategies on way. On Monday very early, by 7, we'll be assembling here near next to our office doors. Then later we'll go around with that is a peaceful demonstration around the town. This one will go on for that day. We'll also have others for the other days. We have Usenge, we have Nyamonye, we have Nango. Those are areas where we'll later also move to as time will be moving on. We are in support of this strike due to the fact that the government has refused to listen to us as the teachers. Our CBA, which was 2021 to 2025, it has stagnated for all that time, and we expected it this year, and it has not taken off. We have issues with the AON, that is medical cover. The TSC is not remitting money there, and our teachers are really suffering. When they go to the hospitals, they are not taken care of because those facilities complain that they are not being funded. We also have delays in earlier the government had accepted that our teachers, that is junior secondary school teachers, they will be promoted, and up to date they have not been promoted, and that's one of the issues where we also have a problem with our government. So these guys should also be promoted. And also issue of employment. The government has accepted that they will employ 20,000 more teachers so that they can cushion our schools. The pupils who are the JSS students are really suffering because they are some of the schools were only given 2 teachers, and they expected 8 teachers to be there. We also have issue of remittance. The government have refused to remit our deductions. They deduct our salaries, more particularly for this BBF, that is burial benevolent funds, the loans which we have taken. Those they are not remitted in time, and this one affects us because the banks are now calling our teachers to find ways of paying those monies directly, and at the same time they don't have the money because those money has been deducted. So with all those ones and many others, we are saying that we are in support of the strike. We are going on with it. And if I can tell you, if you can see the mood of our officials, we have already started.
My name is Isaiah Keuma Janabi, branch chairman NUT Bondo. In support of what has been taking place on the notices that has gone around the whole nation, Bondo branch is in support of our National Executive Council. Why? Because the CBA, which was negotiated last year, has never been put into place. 2, the third-party remissions from our teachers are not remitted on time. 3, we are saying that the whole nation is understaffed, and therefore the 20,000 teachers who are supposed to be employed should be employed. Medical cover, we lost our medical allowance because of this medical cover. It is very unfortunate that teachers are frustrated whenever they visit any facility, including their family members. And therefore, Bondo branch is in support, and the strike is on Monday. Solidarity! Power! Solidarity! Pesa! Thank you very much.
Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! For the union makes us strong! Power! Solidarity!
Solidarity. Power. Solidarity. Solidarity. Forever.